So just booting up the Moblin Alpha V2 release for netbooks, which has been announced today. This is Medion Koya, which is running on pretty much the same hardware and design as the MSI Wind. I've already tried it on Kojincha SE3 and it didn't boot, and I've also tried it on Q1P and it didn't boot because it doesn't support the hardware on either of those devices. So let's see what happens on the MSI Wind. It's booting from CD-ROM, and it's an image which runs from disk, so I don't need to worry about installing a new OS for this. It's taken a good couple of minutes so far to boot up, so I hope I can show you something in a minute. We'll just pause this and I'll come back in a second. So after just two and a half minutes, I guess, which is normal for booting from a CD-ROM, user interface is up, and well, let's see what's working, see what's not working. It's still actually booting, I think, because I can't get anything from the mouse. Looking at the UI, it's a familiar kind of desktop layout. Definitely no focus on touch or finger there, which really we were kind of expecting from Moblin, but it looks like they've refocused towards netbooks first. So this touchpad is not working. Obviously the device has no touchscreen, so I can't move the pointer that way. Maybe I'll have to plug in a mouse, which I do have here. So let's see if this mouse is recognized, and let's see if we can use it. So yeah, the mouse is working, touchpad not. Yeah, nothing too thrilling about the interface. It's standard layout, so bottom left for application menu. There's an X term. Let's have a look at network support. See what we can find. Looks like the Wi-Fi is not supported on this, so there's really not much I can do to demo it. Let's see what browser they're using. I guess it will be Firefox. It's a possibility it'll be Fennec, the mini Firefox. But let's see what they've installed here. Let's try that again. That's loading up off CD-ROM. So it's standard Firefox version 3, I guess. The browser's called Minefield. This looks like a pretty standard Firefox 3 to me. Nothing different there. Will it go full screen? Yes, it will. Yeah, it looks like a standard Firefox 3. So let's go on to have a look at the network. My goodness, this is certainly not an easy mode. Geez, okay, 1 second. Don't see any network management tools there. Okay, system. Nothing there. We've got this window down here, which here's some preferences. It's just showing the LAN device, the Ethernet, which obviously isn't connected right now. So, okay, there's really not much to say about this. I was rather hoping it would be a new style user interface and that it would show off some of the touch-friendly type stuff that's going into Moblin version 2, but this is clearly a basic netbook build that to me is rather unexciting. Let's see what memory footprint it's got. 600 megs of memory used. Oh, that's way too much for a netbook, in my opinion. That needs to be pared down a lot. And let's have a look at the... Okay, there could be actually a RAM drive there that's taking it up, so ignore my comment about the memory usage. It could be a RAM drive. Okay, well, I'll leave it at that. There's a post up on UMPC Portal if you want to go and try out Moblin V2 Alpha Release 1 for netbooks. There's a link there for the ISO. Burn it to a CD and you'll be able to boot from CD and run from CD. So this is Steve Payne, Chippy from UMPC Portal, testing out Moblin V2 Alpha Release 1.